Let's talk Boulder, Colorado. Boulder is surrounded by over 31,000 acres of recreational open space and nature preserves. Boulder has been called the happiest city in the US by National Geographic and has been rated multiple times the best city for well-being in America. Bicycling is a huge thing in Boulder, so much so that sometimes they plow the bike paths before they plow the streets when it snows. Boulder's third Flatiron building is a staggering 1,400 feet tall. That's a few hundred feet taller than the Empire State Building and has been climbed by multiple people, including people on roller skates and people using only their hands. 18 NASA astronauts are graduates of the University of Colorado, Boulder. Boulder has one of the highest concentrations of tech startups in the United States. It's also using technology and data to become smarter in the future. They plan to construct a broadband fiber network, development of a new data infrastructure strategy, and the extension of internet connectivity into everyday devices and objects. Hit follow for more videos on how different cities are using technology to become more intelligent. Let's talk Cedar Rapids, Iowa. Cedar Rapids is the second largest city in Iowa and is the economic hub of the state. Several Cedar Rapidians became famous actors, including Ashton Kutcher and Elijah Wood. Cedar Rapids is one of the largest cities in the world for corn production. Due to the ease of setting up LLCs and the city's easy access and low cost of living, tech entrepreneurs are increasingly flocking to the city. Tech innovation is rising in the city at a significant rate, including forays into intelligent infrastructure. It's definitely a city to watch for smart innovation. Hit follow for more videos on how different cities are bettering themselves via technology. Let's talk Boston. Boston built America's first subway in 1897. Boston's Ted Williams Tunnel is the deepest in the country. You can drive approximately 90 feet under the earth. Boston is one of America's oldest cities. It's home to the oldest public park in America and the oldest public library. And they actually had the country's first police force, founded in 1838. The Boston University Bridge can do something no other bridge can. It's the only bridge in the world where a boat can sail under a train, going under a vehicle, driving under an airplane. The city of Boston is using technology to reimagine its streets. Cameras and sensors learn how people interact and navigate the streets. Their most recent work focuses on roadway safety. Hit follow for more videos on how better cities are being built using technology. Let's talk Austin, Texas. Austin is nearly the same size as New York City at over 280 square miles. It's currently the 10th largest city in the US, and it's also known as the live music capital of the world, with over 200 live music venues. Austin is famous for its large population of bats, with 1.5 million in the city. This is the largest bat colony in North America. Austin is the only city in the world to still operate moonlight towers, 165-foot tall structures dating back to the 19th century to light up the city at night. Looking ahead, Austin is focusing on smart mobility. This involves deploying new technology to move people and goods through the city in a faster, safer, cleaner, more affordable, and equitable way. Hit follow for more videos on how different cities are using technology to become more intelligent.